Way to go. Forest all from the outside by the rally sole provider and racing in third slam shot alongside Enchanted Lady. Gintong Biyaya is got Missile and Bootlegs is running in seventh position. Rounding the far turn, sole provider Forest all from the outside. Enchanted Lady is got Missile is racing forward by Sam Tulay slam shot. Gintong Biyaya as they race the final corner. Two runners firing up for the lead. Sole provider Forest all is on the outside. Sole provider Forest all by the rail. The sole provider Forest all is on the outside. Moves up to take the lead. Forest all 8A. Sole provider Enchanted Lady. And finally 8A Forest all. Second sole provider Enchanted Lady. Scott Misa slam shots for your Fantafecta.
Okay, crossing the